This is one of the new tie rods on the MG that I took off of the steering rack I got from Simon Dyson. Cleaned the threads up with a dye, and now the nut goes on nicely. But the original one has worn that thin that the nut, if I can get it to do it, it won't even screw on at the minute, but the nut was just sliding over there. Tracking on an MGB. Tape measure on the lower wishbone. Measure to the inside of the disc, whatever that reads. On this side, same again. To the inside of the disc, although you've got the brake caliper to contend with. But there you go. Tracking complete. So I've probably moved 20 feet, if that, and that's all we've got. And I'm guessing that. And what's annoying is when I was parked up on the driveway at home, I was getting pretty much every station you could possibly get, but actually driving it now, no. So I'm sat inside the MG at present. I've got a multimeter here, and I've got my powerometer here. That you can use to test if anything's live. Ignition's currently off. If I put the key in and then turn it to on, then you can see that there's no light come on, and it is dead. And if I go to start again, nothing. So what I do get, if I put ignition on there, on the multimeter here, the multimeter is earthed through my powerometer, which is connected direct to the battery. So if I get the positive side of the multimeter here and touch it down on there, the entire body shell is live. Whether it be dashboard, or the dashboard, radio, you get the idea. Even wires, this wire here for example. So what could possibly be wrong? So by putting a jump lead from the boot latch to the battery was connected the right way. The battery was connected the right way, and it's working fine.